Good day, universe! It's only our second day here in Vietnam, and the adventure is just getting started. Let's make every moment today truly worthwhile. First stop, Landmark 81, the tallest building in Vietnam and one of the tallest in the world. Here, you can shop, dine, skate, and even head up to the sky view deck for a stunning 360 degrees view of Ho Chi Minh City and the Saigon River. By night, the tower lights up the skyline, a must-see when you're in the city. Next stop, Nagocha, a Japanese-inspired tea house serving premium matcha and delicate desserts. It's the perfect spot to relax, sip, and snap a photo, not just in front of Landmark 81, but inside it, with a vibe that's just as picture-perfect as the tower itself. Here's the spot where you can take a picture with the Landmark 81 building.
Ito lang kaya ko pala, level 3 lang. Siguro parang level 4 ako mapait na. Yung chocolate. Hindi ko yung information na.
Next on the list, Nguyen Trai Street. Here you'll find everything from dainty, preppy pieces to edgy streetwear. But for me, if you want the best mix of style and price, I always check out Clothing Apartment and the new playground. So we headed back to the Clothing Apartment. Turns out there is a vintage thrift shop at the back of the apartment, perfect for treasure hunting and picking up more pasalubong. hunting for food pasalubong, drop by any Co-op Mart branch. Their goodies are tasty and super budget friendly.